The Honda BR-V redefines what it means to drive with confidence and style. Its presence is bold from the very first glance. The wide, upright front grille framed by sharp LED headlamps gives it a commanding look, while the sculpted hood and crisp bodyline speak of motion even at a standstill. The muscular fenders and aerodynamic silhouette blend rugged capability with a sleek, modern charm. The dual-tone alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness, perfectly complementing the high stance of this versatile SUV. As sunlight glides over the premium metallic paint, it reveals depth and richness that elevates the BR-V's presence on any road. At the rear, the signature LED taillights stretch wide with a distinctive glow, and the neatly integrated spoiler adds a dynamic finishing touch. Step inside, and the BR-V welcomes you with a cabin designed for families yet finished with the feel of modern luxury. The seats are plush and supportive, crafted from premium materials that promise comfort on every journey. The expansive dashboard is clean and contemporary, highlighted by a responsive infotainment screen that sits perfectly within reach. The leather-wrapped steering wheel and refined metallic accents add a sense of sophistication, while the ergonomically placed controls make every interaction effortless. The spacious interior offers more than comfort. It inspires. With flexible seating for 7, there's room for everyone without compromising style or convenience. The soft ambient lighting sets a warm tone, and the cabin's quiet refinement makes every drive feel serene yet connected. The infotainment system is crisp and intuitive, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Press the start button and feel the smooth surge of power. Efficient yet responsive, ready to conquer both city streets and long open highways. The BR-V rides with a perfect blend of agility and comfort, its elevated stance giving you a commanding view of the road ahead. The Honda BR-V isn't just a practical SUV, it's a bold companion built to move with style, offering performance, versatility, and the kind of everyday luxury that makes every drive memorable.